This is not just a story of an elephant. It is a story of reaching out into the unknown and celebrating what you may find there. The elephant is wild, and we are sitting on the ground as he approaches us. Nothing is rushed. Look at the recognition in his eyes, the soft ears. Everything is on his terms. And what you're about to see is an example of trust that crosses the line between what is logical and what is not. This in a time when many of us are living in fear and uncertainty. The pandemic has divided us, and we are in desperate need of inspiration. Nature is watching us. I believe we need to reevaluate where we take instruction from. Our natural world is not a thing apart, and the human condition depends on its laws. It is not the earth that needs healing. It is us. Separateness is an illusion. And it is now time to be this humbling leadership, because how goes it with elephants? Goes it with us?